There's a new wave of Harry Potter Lego sets coming out in 2025. We've covered all of them except one. I've left the worst until last. It's time to talk about Hagrid and Harry's motorcycle ride. Hello everyone, welcome to Second Brick to the Left. Here we talk about Lego set news, reviews and tips. Before we dive in, please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. The Hagrid and Harry's motorcycle ride Lego set will be released on the 1st of January 2025, although in some markets it is available for pre-order. It has an item number of 76443 and has 617 pieces. This set features Hagrid riding his motorbike with Harry in the sidecar from the Deathly Hallows. Plus there's Hedwig. Oh no! Fly away, Hedwig! I'm just going to get straight to it. This set looks pretty bad. What is wrong with Harry's face? In the last video I did about Malfoy Manor, we spoke about the stinging jinx, but this set is before that happened. It's like he doesn't have features, just a pair of glasses stuck to his face. I really don't get what LEGO were aiming for here. We've seen figures with printed faces before, and they've had features and they've worked really well. This face just looks weird. Harry appears to not have hands anymore either, and instead of going for a hook like Captain Hook, he's opted for a wand to be implanted in the stump. Well, I can see how that makes sense. Hagrid doesn't look as bad. The beard and goggles hide a lot of sins. Hagrid's hair reminds me of the Chewbacca released last year. I didn't mind Chewie, but I know for some he was nightmare fuel. Hagrid has hands. Actual hands. I don't think I hate those. I don't love them. The notch out of them is weird, but overall they're fine. And staying with fine, Hedwig is alright. For the scale, I can forgive the look. It's a very simple owl shape with a nice printed face. Next to Harry, Hedwig looks totally fine. I think with Hedwig, she's great as a large model or as a very small model. We've seen several cursed Hedwigs over the years. I don't think this is one, but the curse has passed to Harry. Now, one thing this set does have going for it is the bike. I actually think that looks really good. There's some nice detail in there, the colour is lovely and the sidecar is really effective. The size of this is pretty decent too. Once built, it'll be 16 centimetres high, 16 centimetres long and 12 centimetres wide. Now we have to talk about the price. In the UK, this will cost £44.99. In the US, it'll be $49.99. And in parts of Europe, it'll be €49.99. The price per piece is actually not bad. That for 617 pieces, that's alright. Would I pay that? No, there are far better sets for the price. It's just Harry's face, I can't move past it. They had so many options to get that right, or at least better. Was this a Friday afternoon job? 5 PM, home time, that'll do, ship it. If you cover up the face, it's actually an alright set. I kind of like the wand stump now too. It's like Harry getting into a Mad Eye Moody phase. But that face! Right, I'm going to shut up now. Let me know your thoughts about this set in the comments. That's all for today, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. We're done with our LEGO Harry Potter sets for now, but I've got a very British reaction to a set in tomorrow's video. Enjoy the rest of your day.